Man, I can't wait to show my goodies what I got, man. My goodness, man, we got some stuff in here. I can't wait to show y'all this. Are y'all ready? Let's get it. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Incredible Case back with an incredible video. So y'all, today is something totally different today. I'm switching all the way up. I have semi low-key collecting some colognes. As you can see, this is my cologne area. Y'all, hold on 1 second. This is my cologne area right here. And I have some good smelling ones like the Gold Bar, some Burberry Touch, some Gucci Guilty. Like, I have been collecting some cologne for a while now. And even this one. This is my favorite one. Oh my God, this is my favorite one. This is my favorite one. And I've been collecting for some time now. Don't get me wrong, I really don't know about the smell. If I like how it smells, then I'm gonna go ahead and buy it, right? Well, your boy here got a box full of goodies. Got a box full of cologne. I don't know what this one is, but here, I don't know what this one was. Well, let me explain to you how I really got all these bottles, all these bottles of cologne. So you know how eBay doing the eBay Live, and they doing like the auction off with the whole thing. I'm gonna put their names right here on who I really go to for my cologne. And man, they have a variety of everything. And all you gotta do is bid on them. So I have been bidding on these bottles of cologne. And these some of the colognes that I was looking up that I thought smelled good. Then some of them that the name really catch me by surprise, like that Gucci and that one Gold Bar. So the names kind of caught me. I'm like, oh shoot, those are really good, some really good smell ones. So I have to pick them. I ain't got to pick them up, but I'm trying to pick them up to see what they really like. So that's what I'm doing. So this one right here, I don't know what the name of this one is. Man, Halloween. That what it says? Halloween, man. So I guess this is a man one. This is a tester, so I don't know. I don't know what this one was. I think this is like 15 bucks. So some of these was pretty cheap. Some of them was pretty healthy, you know. So like a tester one, I didn't really pay that much for a tester because what's the purpose of paying that much money for a tester? So put that back to the side. Then I have Gucci. Doulers and Gabbana. The one. I don't know if this is a man's or a woman's. I think this is a man. I think this is a man. I have to open it up and see. But these are some of the names that I have got. Like I said, I want to bring some different stuff to the channel. Like I want to bring like cologne, shoes as well, and more fashion, like clothing. So this is something I'm doing different. Burberry weekend for women. And mind y'all, these all are wrapped up too. I don't go into the stores no more to get my cologne no more. Ever since I spotted that one out, I don't go in the stores no more. I'll just see if they got it, and if they do, I bid for it, and you go from there. So Burberry weekend for women. This is another good one. What else we got? I think this is another tester. No, this is a Jimmy Choo. Oh yeah, this Jimmy Choo is a tester. You got the Jimmy Choo tester. Oh yeah. So this is, yep, Jimmy Choo. So it came like this in this box right here. So this is most definitely a tester. Damn, the Jimmy Choo. Damn, that shit smell. Look. Y'all see? Damn, that shit smell good. That Jimmy Choo smell good. Ooh. That will smell good. And mind you, they all are not tested. Some of them are tested, some of them not. And that was one of the ones that sold out. I said, hey, run that back. I ain't gonna say it to you no lie. I was gonna run that Jimmy Choo back because I was gonna bid on that one. I paid like 30, 40, maybe $50. I think 50. That thing still smell good. Ooh. And after the live video, so this is another thing. After the live, they will literally sell. They'll literally ship you out your stuff. It takes a few weeks, but they'll take it out. But they'll still send it to you. I have another Dudes and Jabon. I think these are for. I think this one right here for the women. I think I got his and hers. Where is it at? I have to go and see which one is which. His, I think this is his and this is hers. I'm thinking. What is this? I don't know what this one is. But damn, that cologne smell good. Oh, this is True Religion. This is for men's. This was like a $25 bottle too as well. This is True Religion for men. And sorry for all the noise, you know. All the noise that being made in your ear. And this is I Am King by Sean John. So, of course, I got a ditty. I'm a ditty bopster. Maybe I should mute the mic, huh? It's too late because you ain't got two more to look at now. Y'all might as well catch this noise in your ear. Yep, Sean John, I Am King. I had this bottle one time before when it first came out, and I like it. I like it. I like the way it smells. Like, don't get me wrong, I don't know like the orange citrus and all this other good stuff. If y'all looking for me to say some stuff like that, it's not gonna happen. It's not gonna happen. You see what I got? You go look at somebody else's channel for that, cause I don't know what the citrus, orange, and all the other stuff smell like. So then I have. Oh, pink sugar. There's a tester too. So pink sugar tester. So, yeah. That's all I got. To be honest, I think I have some more coming. To be honest. If you may be honest, I think I got some more coming. Okay, y'all. So some of these I already had for a minute. And some of them I just started back. Like I said, I just started back collecting all this good stuff. So y'all bear with me, man. I don't know why I got that. Like all the stuff in the back, like the mango, that was a really strong one. That's a really strong one. I don't really too much care for it. Let me turn my flash on. That's some bullshit. Some bull. I got this off of TikTok. But this Burberry for men, I got it from the same place I got the other stuff from. That Burberry Touch. I got this one off of Fragrance Net. I got this from somebody else off of eBay. This, no. This, yes, I got this from off the eBay. This one right here I got from Joma Shop. This is actually a really good one. These are the ones. So some of these I used to work in. Burberry Weekend for men. This one I used to work in. Just go to work smelling good when I worked at Pepsi. These two, no, these three, right? I used to wear most definitely a common smell to go to work in. They used to last for like 8 hours. No, yeah, I think 5 to 8 hours they used to last. They was pretty decent. This is another one, Unpredictable. That's really a good one as well. For something to work in real quick. Another one, Unpredictable. Those two was really good. Burberry Weekend. Yep. I got a lot of Burberry. Versace. I think that's a fake one. I ain't sure. And this is some bullshit. I got this from a store when I went to Charlotte. That's some bullshit. And you know how to go with Coach. I gotta get some Coach up in here. I got the little travel bags, the little travel ones. You know, so just because I want to carry the big ones around, I got some little small ones that I would like as well. So let me go and put this camera down and show y'all. Oh no, this is another good one too right here. This is another good one that lasts you for a couple hours at work. A good 5 hour. Good 5 hours last out of you at work. I gotta make room for the other ones. But this what started my collection off again. No, Curve. I had this Curve for a very long time, y'all. Honestly, I had this Curve for probably about a good while. Cause like I say, man, I wasn't into cologne, but I just recently started back getting into some cologne. But I had this one for a good while. Look at that. From TJ Maxx. I had this for a good little while. So man, let me know what y'all think about my small little collection and my little pickup that I got today. I got another package coming from the same people, but it's on the way. Hopefully get his tomorrow so I could do another video. But anyways, y'all, this your boy Incredible Kids. I'm out with an incredible video. Like, comment, subscribe to the channel, man. Let me know. Let me know how my little smell good session going on over here. I know some of them got to go away and all that other good stuff, but give me some time. Give me some time. I'm gonna get rid of some of them. But as far as the ones that I just go to work in, I'm not getting rid of them. They last for a good 5 to 8 hours sometimes. It is what it is. But let me know how I did with my pickups, man. Let me know how I did, man. I think I did pretty good. I think I did solid. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got 5, 6, 7, 8. Did I count it 8? Did I miss some? Oh, it is what it is. Let me go sneak these in the room.